breaker. There are free and discounted garages for you to move your cars into. You can find
Mayor say garage, parking, by parking.
Parking at participating garages will begin at 6
Yeah,
a.m.
I watch same thing the telephone. They give same thing telephone too.
The emergency is lifted.
Yeah, emergency.
You will have 48
I watch that
hours until the
telephone
end of the
too.
snow emergency. You will have 48 hours after the end of the snow emergency to remove your space savers.
Hey, they giving same thing. They give same thing.
And trash pickup trucks will be removing them. Please note that space savers are prohibited in the South End and Bay Village due to the neighborhood's own policies. Parking is not allowed in BPS school lots during snowstorms, and vehicles parked in these lots will be towed starting 9 a.m. on Sunday. Our teams at the city work all year round to prepare for storms like this, and we're very thankful for all of our staff and all of our vendors and contractors who work together with us. Public Works will have over 850 pieces of snow clearing equipment, plows, trucks on hand to treat and plow the roadways. And we're working with these contractors to add
7 degree outside. Below zero. They're talking about below zero.
Safety agencies, Boston Police, Fire, and EMS will have additional staff on call to respond as needed, and Boston Fire is prepared to deploy their high water vehicles. We need your help to keep everyone safe. We're expecting whiteout conditions, so please avoid driving during the snow emergency. Businesses, we know that it's very difficult when everybody stays home and therefore...
Yeah, nobody go driving, nobody alley. Emergency, so nobody go driving, nobody go na travail, nobody go leko, nobody go out. Everybody's supposed to stay like I. Nobody go anywhere.
Please just plan ahead and make sure that we can continue to keep the roads clear. For businesses whose workers can have the option, we urge you to please tell your employees to work from home on Monday if possible. For everyone, all of our residents and businesses, please shovel the sidewalks in front of your property, as well as any nearby catch basins or fire hydrants. And remember, knock on wood, celebrate responsibly after the game and take care. The snow will add another dimension to the fun. Trash and recycling will operate as normal on Monday for downtown neighborhoods, Charlestown, Roxbury, and South Boston. But for all other neighborhoods, trash pickup will be delayed a day, just to give our snow crew an extra day earlier in the week to keep the roads clear and get everything back up to normal. If you see anyone out in the weather who may need help, please call 911 immediately. The city's emergency shelters are open 24/7, and we are going to be working to make sure that anyone who's outside can get inside safely immediately with transportation. We're working closely with the National Weather Service to continue monitoring the storm and its latest impacts. And we know in New England especially, weather conditions can change very quickly, so we're going off the best forecast for now, but we will be continuing to adjust as the information gets better closer to the storm. If you want to stay updated in the fastest possible way, you can sign up for Alert Boston and get automatic text messages from the city with any alerts or information that you need. Sign up at boston.gov/snow. Thank you again to the many teams who will be working throughout the storm to keep our residents safe. And before I turn it over to Superintendent Mary Skipper, one more time in español. Buenos días y gracias a todo nuestro equipo a la ciudad de Boston, de cada departamento. El jueves la ciudad declaró una emergencia del frío, que continuará por lo menos hasta el domingo por la mañana. El domingo a las 8 de la mañana.
Yeah, they know español. Yeah.
En este momento, esperamos la nevada más pesada entre las 2 de la tarde del domingo y las 3 de la mañana del lunes, con hasta 2 o 3 pulgadas cayendo por hora.
Español, they parle, español. Yeah, español.
Todas las actividades de domingo de nuestra escuela pública también. Todos los edificios municipales permanecerán cerrados el domingo y el lunes, incluyendo todas las sucursales de la Public Library, de las bibliotecas y los centros comunitarios. Nuestros equipos trabajarán las 24 horas del día para despejar las calles y mantenerse al día con el ritmo de la tormenta.
24.
What does VenCat mean? Oh, 24.
Y una prohibición
Okay.
de estacionamiento estará en vigor a partir del domingo hasta el lunes.
Oh, 24.
Durante ese periodo,
24.
la policía de Boston hará cumplir estrictamente
24.
para garantizar que los ciudadanos puedan despejar las calles de forma segura. Dado el volumen de nieve que esperamos. Algunas notas sobre estacionamiento. Residentes de Boston, con permiso de residente, pueden encontrar una lista de garajes gratuitos y con descuento en boston.com/snow. El estacionamiento en los garajes participantes comenzará el domingo a las 6 de la mañana. El estacionamiento con descuento comienza 2 horas antes de que declaramos una emergencia de nieve y termina 2 horas después de que se levante la emergencia. Tendrán 48 horas después del final de la
Yeah, we
emergencia
found
de
the
nieve
Spanish.
para eliminar sus ahorradores de
Yeah.
espacio. Tengan en cuenta que los ahorradores de espacio están prohibidos en el South End y Bay Village. No se permite el estacionamiento en los lotes de las escuelas públicas durante las tormentas de nieve. Los vehículos estacionados en los estacionamientos de las escuelas durante la emergencia de nieve pueden ser remolcados a partir de las 9 de la mañana del domingo. Nuestros equipos en la ciudad trabajan todo el año para prepararse para tormentas como esta y estamos listos para responder. Pero necesitamos su ayuda para mantener a todos a salvo. La visibilidad podría reducirse a 0. Por favor, evite conducir durante la duración de la tormenta, excepto en caso de emergencia. Empresas, les instamos a que, si es posible, pidan a sus empleados que trabajen
But
desde
Creole,
casa.
I talk about Creole. Creole, you say tampuy.
También las aceras frente a su propiedad, así como cualquier cuenca de captura o boca de incendios cercanos. Y si las cosas terminan yendo bien
please.
los patriotas del
Yeah.
domingo, por favor, celebren de manera responsable y cuídense. El lunes, la basura operará con operaciones normales en distritos de Downtown, Charlestown, Roxbury y South Boston, pero todos los demás vecindarios se retrasarán un día. Si ve a alguien en el clima que puede necesitar ayuda, llame al 911 de inmediato. Los refugios de emergencia de la ciudad están abiertos las 24 horas del día, los 7 días de la semana y tienen una política de amnistía para las personas con restricciones no violentas. Trabajaremos en colaboración con el Servicio Meteorológico Nacional para monitorear la tormenta y sus últimos impactos. Para mantenerse actualizados, urgimos a los residentes que se inscriban en Alert Boston. Pueden encontrar más información en boston.com/snow. Gracias de nuevo a nuestros equipos que trabajarán durante la tormenta para mantener a nuestros residentes seguros. Now I'll pass it on to Superintendent of the Boston Public Schools, Mary Skipper, who will be followed by our Chief of Streets, Nick Gove, Chief of Emergency Preparedness, Adrian Jordan, Police Commissioner Michael Cox, EMS Chief Jim Cooley, Fire Commissioner Paul Burke.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So first I'd like to thank our mayor and to thank all of my colleagues for just ensuring safety for our families and our students throughout the storm and then in the cleanup. As the mayor indicated, we will be closing BPS all schools and offices on Monday, January 26th. We've also made the decision to postpone and cancel all extracurriculars that would run on Sunday the 25th and Monday the 26th. This would also include any kind of sports event that would happen, everything basically Sunday and Monday for activities. I would like to thank our custodians especially, and those staff that will be working throughout the storm to begin preparation and to try to clear our snow as much as possible. We would encourage all of our parents to please make sure that they're staying tuned to Parents Square.
They say Brookline is gonna be closed too, so there's no school in Brookline.
We will have our helpline running all day on Monday, and so just as a reminder, that's 617-635-8873. It's also helpline at bostonpublicschools.org. If parents have any questions, they can certainly call into that. Please, encourage our students and our families to stay safe in the cold and in the snow. Extra reminder, as our mayor indicated, that with the parking ban going into effect, we really do need the cars out of the school lots according to the parking ban issued by the city. This is essential for us to be able to get into those parking lots and do snow removal. With that, I hope our students enjoy their first snow day safely and at home.
Good morning. My name is Nick Gove, Interim Chief of Streets for the City of Boston. As the mayor detailed, we're forecasting a significant long-duration winter storm event for the next couple of days. That's going to run right through Monday evening. The
Big storm.
Is forecasted for late tomorrow afternoon through early Monday morning. With accumulation again continuing until Monday night. That heavy rate of snowfall
telephone 80%.
Produce dangerous travel conditions during the peak of the storm. If that happens, we don't anticipate that we'll be able to maintain bare pavement during that time. So for your safety and to allow our teams to work, we encourage you to use public transportation and stay off the road if you can. For those that do need to travel, we encourage you to give yourself extra time, drive slowly, and to give our crews plenty of room to do their work. As always, please don't crowd the plow. Our public works teams are fully prepared, well-equipped, and ready to fight this storm. The city has more than 40,000 tons of salt on hand for this event, and with the support from our contracted partners, we have 820 pieces available to put on the road. As the mayor mentioned, we've declared a snow emergency and a parking ban effective 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, January 25th. During declared snow emergencies, vehicles parked on posted snow arteries will be ticketed and towed. Parking in Boston Public School lots will also be prohibited during this time, as the superintendent mentioned. Also, vehicles found double parking, obstructing the intersection, or impeding school movement in any way, they can also be towed. You can find
because people deaf. We can't pattern them because they deaf. You say deaf. People deaf.
All of this information and more can be found in the winter weather.
So people just talk quiet. People just silent.
On a Monday holiday schedule this week. So that means that all downtown districts, Charlestown, Roxbury, and South Boston will remain on their regular trash day and trash and recycling day without delay. But all other neighborhoods will experience a one-day delay in trash and recycling service. Please note that special item collections will also be canceled or delayed this week. So that includes food waste, mattresses, bulky special item pickups, textiles. Residents should visit boston.gov/trash day to find the most up-to-date information regarding curbside collection. During and following the storm, we really ask, please make sure you put trash out in a visible, accessible place in front of snowbanks. That's going to help those teams get that stuff off the road. Post-storm, property owners responsible to shovel sidewalks to a 42-inch travel width. Please clear your sidewalks as soon as possible after the storm ends. We also ask you to not shovel or plow snow back into the street. We're expecting an extended period of cold weather following this event. So, sidewalks will ice over